So here you have the box. So yeah, it's the box as you can see it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are giving away nice prizes, laptops, computer stuff, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of stuff. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So subscribing is a must to do. So this is the box from the MSI motherboard. As you can see only the motherboard is into it, and then you also have, I think, cables. So yes, this is the I/O shield. I see 2 SATA cables, I think. Yes, 2 SATA cables. Voila. And then here you have some screws. Oh no, it's for the NVMe. It's a screw for the NVMe, and then some manual. So this is it. It's in a, how do you call it, anti-static wrap. So this is the MSI motherboard unboxing video. So we are going to do it a little bit more. Always make sure you don't make problems with static electricity. So handle this with care. Never take the shield off because these pins from the CPU are very sensitive. Only take it off when you install the CPU. So this is the motherboard, as you can see it. You have here the NVMe slots. There is also a Wi-Fi version, but this is without the Wi-Fi version. You have 4 SATAs, ATX connector, I think 24 pin, and then here 8 pin CPU, and then here you have USB ports, 2.0, 3 points, and so on, HDMI, and then the audio. So this is the board. Yeah, I really hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel again because we're giving away nice prizes. You only have to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you like this video. Yeah, please like it. Thank you. Bye bye.